Teacher forces student to solve complex equation to humiliate her. Unaware the girl is a genius. When 15-year-old Ava Thompson walked into advanced math class, everyone whispered, "The new girl from public." School didn't belong in the elite academy. Her teacher, Mr. Clarkson, especially made sure she felt that way. That morning he smirked and called her to the board. "Since you're so confident, Miss Thompson, why don't you solve this?" He scribbled a massive equation across the board, something not even his top students had cracked all semester. The class giggled, expecting Ava to freeze. But Ava didn't panic. She calmly picked up the chalk, erased half the equation, and rewrote it using a shortcut only grad students knew. The room fell silent as she reached the final line, boxed the answer, and turned to face him. Mr. Clarkson blinked. That's impossible," he stammered. "Actually," Ava said quietly, "it's called vector optimization. You made a mistake in your formula." She pointed to his notes, and sure enough, she was right. By the end of the day, her solution was circulating in university chat groups. The public school girl had just solved a problem the academy's math department had struggled with for months. The next morning, Mr. Clarkson greeted her with a forced smile. "Miss Thompson," he said, "perhaps you'd like to help teach today's class?" And from that day forward, no one ever laughed at her again. Teacher tries to humiliate. Quiet girl with impossible math problem. Instantly regrets it. Mr. Davis wanted to make an example out of Lena, the quiet new student. He threw a huge equation on the board and said, "If you're so smart, solve this." The class laughed until Lena calmly picked up the chalk. 2 minutes later, she finished the problem, boxed the answer, and said, "You forgot to carry the negative sign." The room went silent. Mr. Davis checked. She was 100% correct. That quiet girl had just solved a formula he got wrong. The next day, the school invited her to join a national math competition as team captain.